Hey, say everybody, Joe with Smoking Joe's again. Like I said, we're going to do some chicken breast. I already got them prepared, sliced them in half. Just going to put them in a Ziploc baggie. I'm going to pound them down. We're going to stuff it with some Black Forest ham. Slice or two of that. We're going to use two different kinds of cheese. I'm going to use a slice of Monterey Jack and a slice of mozzarella cheese. Going to wrap it up with some thin cut bacon, probably about 2 slices. I would imagine it's going to take to wrap it completely. And like I said, we're going to season it with some CARIBEQUE honey heat. Still got a good little bit of this left, so I'm going to use it. It's good. If you haven't tried it, I'll post a link at the bottom of the description. And check it out for yourselves, guys. It's pretty good stuff. Anyway, let's get started with this, and I'll be back in a little bit. Alright, guys. Let's hope this works. So I put them in the bag, beat them down, 1/4 inch or less. I'm going to use some, see if I can go down low, okay. Use some CARIBEQUE and season them up. Not too heavy, a little bit on both sides. Get a slice of mozzarella. I'll put it in the center. Make sure I ain't got no. I'm gonna slice this ham. You can use any ham you want. I like Black Forest. Slice of Black Forest. Set it in the center. Then I get a slice of Monterey Jack. Said we use 2 slices of ham. Set it in the center. And let's see, got that. We're gonna roll this bad boy up. See if make sure you guys can see this. I want to roll it from this side, spinning around. We'll have the tail go in. Roll it up as tight as you possibly can. When I do, I get a slice of bacon. And I'll go from end to end. That'll kind of hold it together. And you probably get another 2 slices. You start wrapping it. Pull on it a little bit, give it a little stretch. Might take 3, I don't know, we'll see. Rework this a little bit. Get it around. We'll do it like so. And you get it like that. It's all covered. You guys see that? All right. We'll set that on this tray right here. And we'll do the rest of them and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, got them all wrapped up, as you can see. Now we're just going to add a little bit more seasoning to the tops of them. I'm going to leave them on this rack. I had somebody ask me a week or 2 ago, I don't know if they got my reply from up the comment, this rack that I got it from online of a company called Big 5 Sports. It's a sporting good place, and they don't have them at the store. At least in Arizona where I'm at, they didn't have them in the store, so I had to go online myself and order them. So just couldn't remember who asked the question. I apologize for that. Like I say, it was 2 or 3 weeks ago when I was doing some ribs on the kettle, and I used this rack to do the spare ribs on. So anyway, got the kettle fired up. I'm going to go out there and check it out. I'll come back in if it's up to temp around 250. Then we'll put these on and let them rock and roll. And we'll go from there. All right, guys. See you in a little bit. All right, guys. Add up the Weber. Coals are ashed over. Threw two or three more over top. I was inside the house a little longer than I wanted to, but hey, it happens to all of us. So we're going to get this chicken on here. I'm going to slide some other unlit coals over. Use this chunk of apple wood I got right there and put it over top. Get some good flavor rolling. And we'll be back in a couple minutes, guys. Thanks for sticking around. I appreciate it. Alright, guys. As you can see, get them in front of you. Got them all seasoned up. Let's place them on the kettle here. See if we can get you in for a close-up. But that's what we're looking like. Back in a little bit. See you guys in about, I don't know, half hour, maybe an hour. I'll be back then. Stick around, guys. I appreciate it. Alright, guys. Been about 45 minutes. I flipped them over. Again, nice and warm inside. Almost there. Just spritzed them down with a little bit of apple juice and apple cider vinegar, a little bit of water mixture. So we're gonna let them go another 15 minutes, and we'll go from there. I'll talk to you soon. All right, guys. Spun things around. We're gonna let them go another 10 minutes. Get the chicken a little crispier. Said I'm only running around 250, so it's not like it's a really high heat to get the bacon really crisp. So we're gonna let it go, like I say, another 10 minutes, and we'll come back out and give them a look-see and see what's going on. I'll talk to you then, guys. All right, guys. Let's get these pulled off. They are ready to go. Get them in the house, let them cool down a minute or two. I got a side of pasta going on to go with this. It'll be good. See if we can get a close up. Oh, it smells incredible. That CARIBEQUE, guys, that rub, it's got a good bang to it, man. Tastes good, leaves a good color. Not too much heat to it, just a little bit, just the right amount. But back in a little bit, guys. All right, guys. In the kitchen. Letting these cool down. Get one or two of them on here and try some of that melted cheese. You guys see that okay over there? There we go. Pretty tasty, guys. I got some noodles going right now. Got some fettuccine Alfredo noodles that I'm gonna do with this. Rinse my hands off here and get my knife out and cut one of these cordon bleu stuffed chicken breasts open and see what we got. Make sure you guys can see this. Yeah, we'll do it like that. Slide that one over there. We're going to go right down the center. See if we can zoom in on that. Can't wait to take a bite of that, guys. Let me zoom back out here. Cut a corner in this off. Oh, it's super super tender. They can come down with a cold or something. Excuse me for a minute, guys. Oh yeah. That's another one to go in the books as to cook more often. I'll be back with you guys in a couple minutes. I'm going to finish up with these noodles. I'm going to get it plated up, and I'll show you a picture after that. And after that, we're going to wrap it up, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks for sticking around. Alright, guys. Let's get a scoop of this fettuccine Alfredo noodles on top of here, or on the side. Perfect little meal. Get a little pepper on top. And there we have it, guys. Pretty damn tasty if I don't say so myself. If you haven't, give it a try. Great little meal. And kind of ashamed of myself for not doing it more often. With all that said, guys, I greatly appreciate you sticking around. Like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. And share. Yes, baby. There's my grandbaby. And I'll get back to you guys soon with another video. You guys take care now.